my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to thin your carrots that are growing in a container or a grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. And what I see here in the carrot patch is it's time to thin. So what I got here is like there's a clump right here, and there's like 4 or 5 carrots right on top of each other. So I want to thin this down to where I have a carrot about every ½ an inch. Oh, look at that root. That is beautiful. Oh, it smells amazing. Wow. Just pulling that up. So I just want to thin this. The reason I want to thin this is because we are in a pot and we have the nutrients is contained right here. We can feed this. The other reason I want to thin it is I want to eat larger carrots and not smaller carrots. So if we leave these all clumped together, the sunlight coming in we'll just get small carrots because it's competing for light and nutrients and water. So by thinning this, then we're going to get larger carrots. Now, these carrots tops are edible, and you can take this and put it in like a smoothie. It's actually pretty good. So you can just wash this off, blend it up in your smoothie, and you can eat these. You can also eat them as microgreens. They will be slightly bitter, but you can do that. So they don't go to waste, or you can feed them to the chickens. But it's important to thin this down to, like I say, a plant about every ½ inch, and that will give us some nice sized carrots. Alrighty, we got the carrots are thinned and weeded, and I wanted to show you just how long this root is. One of the questions that I get is, can I transplant my carrots? I have never been successful at transplanting carrots in 4 decades. One of the reasons is this very long root, and then it has hair roots that come off. When you pull this up, the hair roots break off, and it's hard to get enough nutrients and water up to the top. If you were going to attempt to transplant carrots, you would have to do it when you are at the baby leaf stage. And as you can see, this is well beyond just the baby leaves. So I would say no, you cannot transplant carrots. If you figure it out, let me know. But like I said, it's got to be at a really, really small stage. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 4. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.